Okay, so I have this chicken breast and I have a sharp knife and I'm gonna trim it up first, get this little bit of whatever off. This is kind of a big chicken breast, which is good. You guys know me by now. I'll chop this up and feed it to my crows another day. I'll stick it in the fridge. But I want to get all the fat off of this. So let me do that. I don't know if this, oh, and there's my kitty. Hi, kitty. Can you say hello, Jasmine? Say meow. Say it. Speak. Say it. She's not going to say it. Okay. See, on a chicken breast, there's the smooth show side, we call it. And then here, see this part? I'm going to start there. And all I'm really going to do, I don't want to go all the way through with my sharp knife. I want to do this, like do. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I'll go this direction. I think I'm better at it. See, I'm kind of keeping it pretty level and doing this all the way across. Well, I didn't do it so good that way. It's not as thin as I want it. But I'll try this side now, okay? So again, you're just gonna keep it pretty flush, make little tiny, and then pull this back as you go. You maybe can call this butterflying, but because of the design it makes, it's called feathering. And I'm just gonna keep going. Now you can roll this up and stuff it when you're done. Can you still see that on my, yeah. See, I'm not finished here, so I'm gonna keep going. Watch your fingers. Do. You don't have to sing, but I find it helps with everything I do. I'm kidding. I just being silly here. Okay, so that's not the best I've ever done, let me tell you. Let's see, you have this thin, right. And it's easier to stuff a chicken breast like this, so you could roll it up now, right? You could roll that up. So that's one thing. And another thing that you can do, and this really should have been thinner. I should have been more flush, not at an angle, just really flush like that and taking my time. You can, of course, I'm going to do this because we're not going to roll it up this time. Make this into little chicken strips, and then they'll all be the same size like that, like just to get even. There's many reasons to do this, but I like to stuff things a lot. It's like extra veg in the pot. So, okay, I'm going to get going, but I am going to also put this in some Greek yogurt for just a little bit, and it will tenderize this further. I'm not even sure what I'm going to do with how I'm going to make it, but I know I want it tender, and I wanted to do that feathering. It does have like a feather effect, doesn't it? Okay, now I got to use my knuckle to turn off the camera because I have chicken hands.